Hey guys, John Rapid Metal Fab here today. I wanted to show off one of our press brakes here that we have, a 170 ton CNC fully controlled machine. So we can bend and break your parts accurately and very quickly, which is going to save you a lot of time and a lot of money. Let's face it, a lot of the challenges today in manufacturing is finding contract work that's actually quick and that actually is affordable. So that's where we come in at Rapid Metal Fab. Our slogan has and always will be, when you need parts fast, give us a call. So as we have here, this is a formed part. We have 4 bends on the part. Of course, there are different lengths. Little tricky part, but this is stuff that we do each and every day for customers across the country, and we would love to help you out. But again, this is a 170 ton CNC controlled press brake machine, which really helps us speed up the process. And we have a smaller brake as well behind us that we're running some small little detail parts. But this is the beast of the group, and this is where we spend a lot of our time with this particular machine. But if you guys have custom parts that you need made, whether it's onesie twosies or thousands, please give us a call or shoot us an email. The contact information is below, and we are always here and happy to help. Thanks for watching.